Hey guys, so this says write the equation of the line that passes through the point -3, 4 and is perpendicular to 3x plus 2y equals 6. Well, let's do this. We're definitely going to be using y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Let's copy down our 3x plus 2y equals 6 and let's rewrite it in y equals mx plus b form. We can subtract 3x from both sides. That gives us just 2y on the left side, and on the right hand side we have 6 minus 3x. And let's swap them to make it look like this up here. Divide everything on both sides by 2. So we have y is equal to -3/2 x plus 3. And now this says perpendicular, so the only thing we're really interested in is the slope, and we actually want the perpendicular slope, which means we take the negative reciprocal. So this -3/2 is going to become positive 2/3. All of this work right here was about finding the perpendicular slope. We don't even care what the b is equal to. So we can bring this up here, and let's copy down y equals mx plus b. So m is our slope, so this 2/3 is going to be our m. And then this -3, 4 will be our xy. So now we can plug in the x, y, and the m and solve for b. Y is 4 equals the m is 2/3 and the x is -3 plus b. 2/3 times -3 ends up being -2. We can copy down everything else, add 2 to both sides, and we get 6 is equal to b. And now we have the answer to our question. It's y equals the slope we have of 2/3 x plus the b of 6. And this is the equation of the line that goes through this point perpendicular to this line. How exciting.